Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Mockup Studio. Today, we're going to cover how to create a mockup template, how to apply your own personal elements like branding, and how to save it to products in your store. Let's get started. Go ahead and open the Mockup Studio. First, we'll set the dimensions for our file size. Here you can find some standard options such as the suggested dimensions for a Shopify or Etsy listing, but you can also set custom sizes. For example, if you'd like to create mockups for some Instagram stories. But today, let's stick with the standard options, a square size. Now, you'll need to select a scene for your mockup. You can zoom in or move around the scene by just double-clicking on it. So here, I'm going to adjust it to make the scene a little bit bigger so that there's more focus on my poster design. Next, select your poster size. This is just a placeholder, but I'm gonna set mine to 50 by 70 as most of my poster designs are already offered in this size. Because it's a placeholder, it'll be resized accordingly when you have posters with multiple sizes offered. So don't worry if you offer posters in different sizes. Now it's time to customize our template. I'd like to brand mine, so I'm going to upload my logo and add it to the bottom right corner. But here you could also add other elements such as watermarks. The world is your oyster when it comes to how you want to customize your templates. Let's see how this mockup would look with my products by going into the preview mode. I can download the mockups at this stage, which is perfect for using in marketing materials, or I can save the mockup as a template and later apply it to the products within my store. To do this, we will save the template and then head over to our store and select the product that I would like to add the mockup to and go ahead and save. And that's it. Now you've created a customized mockup that you can use to showcase your wall art products. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to use the Mockup Studio. We hope that you found it helpful, but feel free to leave any questions you have in the comments below. Happy creating!